there is an equalizer. That equalizer is death. When you die, you will leave those cars. When you die, you will go to your God. And God will have one question for you. I gave you an opportunity to live in your country and lead your country.
Proceed,
I'm speaking out of reality, and don't be scared of death. Me as a Muslim, I'm not scared.
Honorable Speaker, I just want to, I don't know, is it in order for Honorable Fatuma to impose threats and blackmail while passing a very important message, that the only equalizer is death? I mean, can't this House mitigate such challenges without really death? Must we die for us to save people from the public death? I mean...
sorry if that touched your heart, but I want to remind you again that you are a candidate for death. All of us will die. And I'm reminding you, as a Muslim, I am not scared of death. I'm scared of the day of judgment. And that is why it's my responsibility as a Muslim sister. My book tells me that always remind your brother and sister when they are wrong. Because the day of judgment, I will be next to you and I will be asked, you as a member of parliament, you saw your president, you saw your governor, you saw your minister going around with all these cars and people were dying of hunger. What did you do? What answer will I have in front of my Creator? The answer will be, I spoke and it is on record. And the devil will say, surely I am a witness. And the angels will say, our sister spoke and she spoke the truth. Dear Kenyans, let us tell our leaders this is too much on us. In 6 months, since this government was elected, they overseeded their debts by 17.4 billion. Then you hear in State